How to verify Google Play Console developer account. So before you be able to upload your app for close testing, you have to verify your Play Console account to unlock this feature, and that is create app. So let me click on it for you to see I've successfully verified my Play Console account and I have the option to upload my app. So let me show you how to do the exact same thing. Simply go to Google, and then from Google search, come and type in Google Play Console and then hit enter. So when it show up, simply come and then select the official site of Play Console by clicking on it just like this. It is going to show up just like this. You have to come and then log in with your email by clicking on go to Play Console. It is going to load and then open your account just like this. When you scroll down, you see that before you be able to upload your app for close testing, you have to verify your Play Console account. So let me show you how to do the exact same thing. All that you have to do is simply come here to where it says verify your identity. You have to come and then verify your identity by uploading an official document. Okay, so simply come and then click on get started. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here. Okay, and then you have to upload a government issued photo ID plus an address document that is having the exact same address that you use for your profile. Okay, so simply come and then click on agree, and that is the payment profile, and it's going to bring you right here. So they are going to send a notification to your phone. Make sure that you have logged into your phone with the exact same email address. Okay, and then come here to where you have the notification bar. Simply scroll down and you're going to find the notification from Play Console. So as you can see from here, it says that verify your identity. Simply come and then tap on the notification, and it's going to show up just like this. Okay, and then you have to come and then take a picture or upload a picture of your ID card. So simply come and then tap on agree, and over here you have to come and then select any of these. So we have driver's license, we have passport, we have national ID card, we have resident permit. So you have to come and then select any of these. So I'm going to go with the national ID card. Okay, so after selecting it, simply come and then tap on the next. Okay, and it's going to show up just like this. So first you have to come and then capture the front of your ID card. Okay, so you have to just put the card in the frame just like this and take a picture. You can also upload it if you have the image on your phone already. After that, you have to come and then take a picture of the back of the ID card. So you have to put the back right inside the frame just like this. You can also tap on upload if you have the image on your phone already. And the next thing is to come and then verify. So any of the document that is having the exact address like your payment profile, that is the one that you're going to use. So we have driver's license, we have passport, we have national ID card. You can scroll down and then you see that you have utility bill as well. We also have that is the phone bill, and then they all have to be at least 60 days, and then we have the bank statement as well. All that you have to do is simply come and then select any of these. I'm going to go with the bank statement by simply checking the circle just like this, and then come and then tap on the next. After that, they are going to show it just like this. Okay, you can simply take a picture that is a clear picture of the bank statement if you are using bank statement, or you can upload it instead. Okay, so after uploading it, you have to review and then confirm the informations are correct. Simply tap on the next. Okay, and they are going to submit it for you. So we have successfully submitted our document. Okay, you can come and tap on the done, and as you can see, the next thing that you have to do is to simply come back to your account. And as you can see from here, come and tap on the done, and over here you see that they are verifying our identity. Just give it time. Okay, sometimes it might take within 24 hours. The next thing is to verify that you have access to Android phone. Simply come and tap on view details, and over here simply come and then scan the QR code. You have the option to come and then tap on copy URL, and then from your phone simply open it. Okay, it's going to open Play Console right inside Google Play just like this, and then all that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the install, so that you'll be able to install the Google Play Console app right on your phone. So it's going to download and then install it just like this. When it is done, simply come and then tap on open, and that is it. The app will open just like this, and as you can see, say that welcome to Play Console. Simply come and then tap on sign in, and then over here all that you have to do is simply come and then select your email address just like this, and come and tap on continue. It is going to load your account just like this, and you have to come and choose your developer account just like this. So I'm simply going to select this one, and that is my developer account, and it will open just like this. All that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the verify. That tap on the verify, you are going to be verified just like this. As you can see, device checks complete, and now you can come and tap on continue, and that is it. You can simply go back to your developer console account. Okay, so let's go back, and as you can see from here within the account, we have to do the last one, and that is to verify our phone number. Okay, all that you have to do is simply come and tap on view details, and before you be able to verify your phone number, you have to make sure that you are identity is verified first. So as you can see, when you scroll down, it says that before you're able to verify your phone number, you have to verify all the verification first to unlock this feature. So wait for some time, and then they are going to send you a notification that you have verified your identity just like this. So as you can see from here, I have successfully verified my identity, and now I have that feature to verify my phone number. So all that you have to do is simply come and tap on view details and then scroll down, come here and come and make sure that the exact phone number is the one that you are having, and then come and tap on go to account details. So it's going to open this place, and all that you have to do is simply come and tap on verify phone number. So when you tap on it over here, they are going to send you a 6-digit code on your phone. So all that you have to do is simply come and then enter the 6-digit code right here, and then come and click on verify. And that is it. Your number is going to be verified. As you can see, I've successfully verified my phone number, and then come and then click on save changes. And that is it. You have successfully verified. And you can come and then click on the home, and you see that this feature has now unlocked, and then you can simply come and then click on create app. Okay, so when you come here, you can simply come and then click on create app, and that is it. You can simply upload your app, and we are going to do that in the next video. So see you in that next video.